Are you ready to redefine what abundance means in your life? Many of us wander through life hoping to stumble upon wealth, happiness, and fulfillment, but what if you could strategically cultivate these elements? This video is crafted for those who believe they are chosen to lead, to flourish, and to live a life far beyond the ordinary. Today, we lay down a clear, actionable blueprint that will guide you towards an abundant life, aligning your unique path with the prosperity you seek. Abundance is often painted with the broad strokes of material wealth and possessions, but true abundance extends much deeper. It encompasses joy, health, spiritual well-being, and rich relationships. It's about having an overflow that covers all facets of human experience, ensuring you're rich not just in financial resources, but also in moments that bring pure joy and satisfaction. To tap into this holistic wealth, start by shifting your mindset. Abundance doesn't accrue by mere chance. It's a result of the way you think and see the world. Those who live abundantly are often those who believe. Honestly, they see possibilities where others see barriers and opportunities where others see obstacles. If you're listening to this, you are likely someone who already knows deep down that there is more to life than what you're currently experiencing. The first step to cultivating an abundant mindset is to practice awareness. Be conscious of your thoughts. What are you focusing on daily? Are your thoughts centered on lack or on potential gains? This awareness is pivotal because it sets the foundation for all the abundance you wish to attract. Transform your thought patterns to focus on what you can achieve and possess rather than what you lack. This shift doesn't happen overnight, but through steady, persistent effort, you can align your mind to an abundance-oriented way of thinking. Having redefined abundance and how to think about it, the next crucial step is to clarify your vision. What does a life of abundance specifically look like for you? This isn't about vague dreams. It's about creating a vivid, clear picture of your life filled with abundance. Identifying your vision involves more than just daydreaming about riches. It requires setting precise, actionable goals that are tailored to your personal desires and strengths. Start by asking yourself what areas of your life you want to flourish in. Is it financial independence, stronger relationships, or a healthier lifestyle? Whatever it is, define it clearly. For instance, if your goal is financial abundance, specify what that looks like in numbers. If it's health, describe what being in optimum health means for you. Once your goals are set, break them down into smaller, manageable objectives. These objectives should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting SMART goals, you not only have a clear idea of what you aim to achieve, but also a tangible way to measure your progress. This methodical approach removes the ambiguity that often clouds our path to success and lays a clear roadmap that guides your actions and decisions towards your abundant future. A critical component of this vision is alignment with your inner values and passions. Your goals should resonate deeply with who you are and what you believe in, as this alignment ensures that your pursuit of abundance is both sustainable and fulfilling. The chosen ones don't just aim for success in any form, they strive for success that enriches not only their lives, but also the lives of those around them. Transitioning into a state of abundance requires more than just setting goals. It demands the removal of the internal barriers that restrict your growth. One of the most significant barriers are the limiting beliefs that you hold about yourself and your potential. These beliefs can silently sabotage your efforts towards achieving abundance. Start by identifying these negative beliefs. Common examples include thoughts like, "I don't deserve success," or "it's not possible for me." Recognize that these beliefs are often rooted in past experiences or external criticisms that have been internalized over time. The recognition of these beliefs is the first step towards disempowering them. Once you've pinpointed these harmful thoughts, challenge them. Ask yourself, is this belief absolutely true? Does it apply to every situation? More often than not, you'll find that these beliefs are not universally applicable and are based on outdated or incorrect assumptions. Replacing these limiting beliefs with empowering beliefs is crucial. Instead of saying, I don't deserve success, affirm, I am fully capable and deserving of success. This reframing shifts your focus from limitation to potential, enabling a mindset more conducive to attracting abundance. While you work on dismantling limiting beliefs, another powerful tool at your disposal is gratitude. Cultivating a mindset of gratitude changes how you view the world. It shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant in your life, which can dramatically alter your trajectory towards achieving more. Begin by making it a daily habit to acknowledge the good in your life. This could be as simple as writing down 3 things you are grateful for every morning or evening. The practice of gratitude not only enhances your mood and outlook, but also conditions you to recognize and appreciate opportunities for more abundance. Gratitude also affects how you interact with others, and by appreciating the roles that others play in your life, you foster better relationships and open yourself up to networks that can lead to abundant opportunities. This approach not only enriches your life with positive emotions, but also attracts more of the experiences and people that contribute to a fulfilling life. The law of attraction is a powerful principle that suggests you can attract into your life whatever you focus on. It aligns perfectly with the concept of living a life of abundance by dictating that positive thoughts bring positive results and negative thoughts bring negative outcomes. To harness this law effectively, it's crucial to maintain a focus on the goals and abundance you wish to attract. Begin by visualizing your life as you want it to be, filled with the successes and wealth you aim for. Visualization is a potent tool. It involves picturing in your mind's eye the reality you want down to the smallest details. This practice not only reinforces your goals, but also primes your subconscious to recognize and seize opportunities that can make those visualizations a reality. Couple your visualization with positive affirmations. Repeat affirmations that reinforce your worthiness of abundance, such as, I am attracting endless abundance by maintaining positivity in my thoughts and acts. This combination of visualization and affirmation keeps your energy and motivation high, aligning your mental and emotional state with the outcomes you seek. While you venture towards a life of abundance, challenges and setbacks are inevitable. Building resilience is therefore essential to sustain your journey, ensuring you can withstand and grow from the difficulties you encounter. Resilience is not about avoiding challenges, but rather developing a robust response to them. To build resilience, start by maintaining a realistic perspective on failure and setbacks. View them as natural parts of the learning and growth process, not as signs of defeat. Accept each challenge as an opportunity to learn and refine your approach. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback with more insight and strength. Develop a support network of people who encourage and uplift you. Surrounding yourself with positive influences helps you stay motivated and resilient during tough times. Keep your end goals in sight to remind yourself of why you started this journey and what you aim to achieve. This focus helps you push through the moments of doubt and continue striving forward. Every individual possesses unique talents and abilities that can pave the way to personal and professional abundance. The key is to identify these gifts and understand how they can be used effectively to contribute to your goals. This awareness creates a pathway through which you can channel your efforts to maximize outcomes, not just for personal gain, but also for the benefit of those around you. Begin by assessing your skills and passions. What are you naturally good at? What activities give you energy and joy? These questions help pinpoint where your potential lies. Once identified, think strategically about how you can apply these skills to create opportunities for abundance. Whether it's starting a new business, enhancing your current job role, or volunteering in a capacity that aligns with your strengths, each action should be a step toward utilizing your unique abilities in meaningful ways. Developing these gifts often requires continuous learning and improvement. Dedicate time to hone your skills through education, practice, and professional development. This commitment not only improves your expertise, but also increases your value and potential to attract more abundant opportunities. Consistency is key in any endeavor, and establishing daily rituals that promote success and well-being can significantly impact your journey toward abundance. These rituals help to set the tone for each day, infusing your routine with purpose and productivity that steers you closer to your goals. Consider incorporating routines that begin with mindfulness or meditation, which can center your thoughts and prepare you mentally and emotionally for the day ahead. Following this, engage in a planning session where you outline your key tasks for the day, prioritizing them to ensure you are focusing on activities that align with your larger goals. This planning not only keeps you organized, but also reinforces your goals daily, making them more attainable. Other valuable rituals might include reading, exercising, or engaging in a creative outlet that keeps your mind sharp and your spirits high. These activities are not merely tasks on a checklist, but are investments in your overall capacity to create and sustain abundance. The journey toward abundance is not solitary. The relationships you cultivate can significantly influence your path to success. Networking is about connecting with others, not just for personal gain, but for mutual benefit. The essence of effective networking is building relationships based on trust and mutual respect, which can lead to opportunities and collaborations that might not otherwise be available. When you meet new people, focus on how you can help them. This approach builds a foundation of goodwill and reciprocity, making others more likely to support you in return. Maintaining these relationships requires consistent communication and genuine interest in the success of others. Regular check-ins, sharing useful information, and being available to assist when needed are key strategies that strengthen ties. As your network grows, so does your access to new ideas, skills, and possibilities that can catalyze your growth toward abundance. The pursuit of abundance is a dynamic journey that requires ongoing education and adaptation. The world is constantly changing, and staying informed and adaptable ensures that you are always prepared to seize new opportunities. Continuous learning can take many forms, from formal education to self-directed study, and it enriches your understanding and skills, keeping you competitive and relevant in your field. Set goals for your personal and professional development and identify resources that can help you achieve them. This might include taking courses, attending workshops, or reading extensively in your areas of interest. Additionally, seek feedback from peers and mentors to gain insights into your strengths and areas for improvement. This feedback is invaluable for your growth and development. Accept the concept that learning is a lifelong process. Each new skill or knowledge you acquire not only enhances your ability to create abundance, but also builds your confidence and ability to contribute meaningfully to the world. While we wrap up this blueprint to a life of abundance, remember that each step you take on this journey enriches not only your own life, but also those around you. The path to abundance is built on understanding, vision, resilience, and the connections we foster along the way. Keep pushing forward, keep learning, and keep nurturing the relationships that propel you towards your goals. And if you found value in this video, please like it to support the channel. Share it with friends or anyone you believe could benefit from this guide to living abundantly. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and strategies to transform your life. Your engagement helps us grow and continue providing valuable content. Here's to your continued success and abundance. Until next time.